Hi everyone, I am here to solve some of your class 12th NCERT book question that is based on a probability. So this is the first question that given that E and F are even such that probability of E is 0.6 and probability of F is 0.3 and probability of E intersection F is 0.2. Now you need to find out the probability of E given F and probability of F given E. So let's just pause the video and try to solve this question by own. So now what is the answer of that question? As this is a formula of probability of just a minute. So this is a formula of probability E given F. So given F means we have already the question is already given the condition that F is already F1. Now you have to find out the probability of E. Happening of probability of E. So probability of E given F, the formula is that. And how will you gonna remember this formula? As you can see that F is in the given F. F is already given in the condition. So that F is gonna come in the denominator part. Okay. So this is true for all. I am using here E and F. Maybe in the next question you will see here A and B too. Then the formula will remain the same. Just the E and A B C D things will change. So you just need to put the values like P intersection F is 0.2, P F is 0.3 and you will get the answer. Now probability of F given E, as I have already said you that E is given. So E will come on the denominator. So like just you need to put the formula and yeah, P intersection F and F intersection E both are the same thing because obviously intersection means what is the common in between the E event and F event. So E and F, you can say F and E, both are the same thing. Okay, so that is already given and PE is already given. We just put the value and get the answer. Now question second. We need to find out probability of A given B when probability of B is given and probability of A intersection B is given. So just put the same formula. Probability of A given B. See, B is in a denominator because B is given. So you just need to put the values and you will get the answers. Now, question number third. If probability of A is given, probability of B is given. Probability of B given A is 0.4. Now you need to find out the first option, that is probability of A intersection B. Then you need to find out the second part, that is probability of A given B. And then you need to find out the third part, probability of A union B. Now, how will you find out the probability of A intersection B? Obviously by putting the formula. You will get a probability of A intersection B. You just need to put the values and you will get the answer. Now for second part you just need to put the same formula and you will get the answer of that too. Now for third part, as you know that PA union B is equal to PA plus PB minus P intersection B, means probability of A union B, like both is happening, and probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B means what is the common between A and B. What is the probability of common between A and B? So you just need to put the values and you will get the answer of probability of A union B. Now, you need to find a probability of A union B if this is the thing that is given two probability of A equal to probability of B equal to 5 upon 13 and probability of A given B equal to 2 upon 5. Now, obviously, by this, it is itself saying the probability of B equal to 5 upon 13 and it is also saying two probability of A equal to 5 upon 13. So, obviously, probability of A equal to 5 upon 26. Okay. And this is probability of B that is already given. And now this is the probability of this is the formula probability of A given B, so B is the denominator, and you will need to just put the values and you will get the answer. Now you get the probability of A intersection B, and what you need to find out probability of A union B. So we know the formula probability of A union B, probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. But here we have probability of A, we have probability of B, but we didn't have the probability of A intersection B. That's why we use that formula to find out the value of probability of A intersection B. Now we know the value of probability of A intersection B, then we will just put the value and solve, then we will get the answer. Now question number 5. Probability of A is given, probability of B is given, probability of A union B is given. Now you need to find out probability of A intersection B. Then second part probability of A given B, then third part probability of B given A. So as you know the probability formula of probability of A and B, probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, you just need to put a value and try to solve it. and you will get the probability of A intersection B. Everything is written. I don't think I need to explain all these things. You are all are from class 12, so I think you will get the answer how I find it. Now, how will I find out probability of A given B? By using the same formula. I just need to put the values that probability of A intersection B I have already find out. I will just put that 4 by 11 and that probability of B, that is 5 by 11, then solve and then you will get the answer. Now, probability of B given A. You can find out by the formula probability of B intersection A upon the probability of A. So just put the value and you will get the answer of that too. Now, determine the probability of E given F that we're gonna for the question number 6 to 9. Now, question what is saying the question number 6? Here is just question is trying to say that what will the condition you have to you have to do that according to E and F. That's why they are saying that question number 6 to 9 probability of E and F. You need to find out probability of E given F. Okay. So now the question is saying the coin is tossed 3 times. Means we have a coin and we are tossing that coin 3 times. Not 1, not 2. It's 3 times. Now where first E head on third toss, F head on first 2 tosses. So this is the first part of question. F we need to find out probability E given F. Now, how will you solve it? As coin is tossed 3 times, so we know the sample space that will be triple H. And one more thing, I want to show you how we can make this sample space very easily. Like first triple H, then just H replaced by T, then just shift that T. Like I take that in middle, then I take that in corner. Now take triple T. Now one T replaced by H, then shift the H in middle, then corner, and you will get a sample space. Now, so he is saying head on the third toss. So where we find the head on third toss? So here, yeah. So I take the triple H and third toss, like here HTH, third toss, like here THS or TTH, like that. Where we are getting the third head on third toss, we will take that here. So this is the sample space of E. So probability of will gonna be this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and total sample space is 8. So 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2. Okay. Now second, head on first 2 tosses. Like we need to find out from the sample space that where the condition is coming that head is on the first starting first and second tosses. Like you can see like this triple H first and second and double SC first and second. We will not consider that because this is second and third tosses. We just want first 2 tosses, first and second. So this is the condition and that is 2. So probability of F gonna be 2 by 8 because total is 6. So 1 by 4. Now we need to find out obviously we want P probability of E given F. So the formula we know that probability of E intersection F upon the probability of F. So we need to find out probability of E intersection F2. So how will you find out? Like let's see in both cases what is the common E and F. So obviously triple H. This triple H is common only. Nothing is common rather than triple H. Like you can see triple H, triple H. Like here is double ST. Can you find double ST here? Obviously not. That's why only triple S is common here. And obviously 1. So probability of E intersection F is 1 upon the total, that is 8. So now you will just put the formula probability of E intersection F upon the probability of F and you will put the value and get the answer. Now the second part. The second part is saying that E at least 2 head. So E have at least 2 head. So this is a sample space that we got because coin is tossed 3 times. So E is saying that at least 2 head. At least 2 head means you should have two head, but you can have more than 2 head too. So here you can see 2 head, 2 head, 2 head. But more than 2 head like triple H. So how much is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 and total is 8. So 4 by 8. Probability of E is 4 by 8. Now this F, what is F is saying? F is saying at most 2 head. What is the meaning of at most 2 head? Like it means you can have only and maximum 2 head. You can have less than 2, but you cannot have more than 2. You need to find out from that there is only 2 head. It can be 0, 1 and 2, but not more than 2. Okay. So F is like you can see head. So 2 head, 2 head, 2 head, 1 head, 1 head, 1 head, 0 head. So at most 2 head means it's the maximum value. Maximum 2. You can have 0, 1, 2. but not more than 2. So it's a condition that you can say. If you don't know, if you don't able to understand anything, then you can do the comment too. I will tell you how I got that. So here you can count at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So probability of F is 7 and total is 8. So 7 by 8. Now we need to find out P E intersection F. So common in between them, common is triple ST, double ST, STS and TSS. So we can find out P intersection F. Now we need to put the formula. PE given F, and you need to put the value and you will get the answer. Now, what is our third part? Third part is saying E at most 2 tails. At most 2 tails means you can have only maximum 2 tails. Maximum 2 tails. It can be less than 2, like 0, 1, 2, but not more than 2 tails. So, how will we find out E? Maximum 2 tail, like one tail, one tail, one tail, double tail, double tail, double tail, not more than 2 tail. Okay, so probability of E 6 by 8, 3 by 4. Okay, now what is saying the F? F is saying at least one tail. At least one tail means it can be one and more than one two, not less than one. At least means we want more than that. As we can say that at least you can do my that work. Like you need to do that work, but if I want, then I can take your advantage to do more work too. So it's like that. You can understand this thing. Okay. So in case of F, at least one tail, like one, at least one head. So one head, one head, one head. At least one tail, sorry. The question is saying at least one tail, huh? Just a minute. At least one tail, yeah. So at least one tail means one, it's compulsory that it should have one tail, but it can have more than one tail too. So one tail, one tail, one tail, triple tail, double tail, double tail, double tail. So its probability of F is 7 by 8. Now you need to find the intersection of that. And for intersection, you just need to find the common in between E and F. Then you put here, then count, and then find the probability of E intersection F. Now put the formula of P, E given F, and then put the value, and then you find the answer. Now question number 7. 2 coins are tossed once. Now here is 2 coins only. Last time we have 3 coins. Now here is 2 coins. Where first E tail appear on one coin and F one coin show the head. Okay, so first part is that. Now, tail appear on one coin. So as we know that the coin is tossed twice, so the sample space will be that. Now E is saying tail appear on one coin. So obviously tail. Okay, in one coin only tail. THST. So probability of E is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Now F is saying one coin show the head. So ST, TH, because here one coin show the head. Yeah, head and head. So 2 by 4. Now PE intersection F is that 2. So P intersection F is also 1 by 2. So when we put the formula of PE given F, then put the value and we get the answer. Now second part is saying E no tail appear. Now in this where is no tail? Here double H. Okay, because in everything like ST have tail, TH have tail, and TT also have tail. Obviously T means tails and H means head. So E equal to HH. So probability of E equal to 1 by 4. Obviously this is 1 and total is 4. So 1 by 4. Now F is no head appear. Where is no head? Only here, double T. So double T 1 by 4. Now, can you find out the common in between E and F? Obviously not, because this is 2 head, this is 2 tail, that nothing is common in that. So P E intersection F is 5. 5, I just say 5, 0, whatever you want to write, you can write. So P intersection F is 0 by 4. You just need to put the formula and you will get the answer 0. Okay. Now, a dice thrown 3 times, like you have dice. In Hindi, we can say that pasa. So we are throwing that 3 times. So now E is 4 appear on third toss, F is 6 and 5 appear respectively on first 2 tosses. Now dice from 3 times, so you need to find out. Like in dice, you have seen that there is 6 number on dice. So if you ever need to find out the sample space when you are tossing the die. Okay, so throwing the dice, sorry. It's not coin. In case of coin, we are saying tossing, and in case of die, we are saying throwing. So in case of die, if we are throwing a die one time, then it will be 60 power 1. So sample space will be 6. Okay. If we are throwing it dice 2 times, then the sample space will be 60 power 2, that is 36. And in my case, I am throwing the dice 3 times. So the sample space will be 60 power 3. So this power will change the according to times, how many times you are throwing the dice. So here 3, so I am taking 60 power 3, that is 216. If here will be 2, then I will take 60 power 2. Okay. So that's how we will find the sample space. Okay. Now, what is saying? 4 appear on third tosses. So we will find a probability where 4 is appearing on third tosses. So it can be like here you can say 4 in third toss is 4 in third toss, 4 in third toss, 4 in third toss, 4 in third toss. Okay. So probability will be 36 upon total is 216. Okay. Now F is saying 6 and 5 appear on first two tosses. So 6 5, 6 5, 6 5, 6 5. So 1 to 6 it is 6 5. So that is the 6. So 6 upon 216. Now E intersection F is only this one. So we will find P intersection F. Now we will need to find P E given F. So we will put the formula of that and put the value and then we will get the answer. Now question number 9. Now here mother, father and son line up at random for a family picture. They are randomly for a family picture. E son on one end and F father in the middle. Okay. Son on one end and F father in the middle. So we need to find out a sample space first of all. So sample space will be M is mother, F is father, and S is son. Okay. So MFS, SFM, FSM like the coin cases. I just made the sample space for that too. Okay. Now E sun on one end. So I make the sun on one end. Like it can be on left hand, it can be on right hand. So here it's on right hand, and here sun is on left hand. So that is the 4, and sample space have 6. So probability of E is 4 by 6. Okay. Now F. F is saying father in the middle. So we need to make the condition where father can be in the middle. Okay. So these are the two conditions where father in the middle. So we will find the probability of F 2 by 6. That is 1 by 3. Now probability of E intersection F, what is common in them? That. So that will also 1 by 3. Now we will just put the formula and put the value and we will get the answer. Now question number 10. Here, this is the last question also. Here, a black and red dice are rolled. You have two dice, but they both have different color. First have black and second have red. Now find the condition probability of obtaining a sum greater than 9. Like you need to find out the probability where the sum is coming more than 9, not 9 and not less than 9. It is greater than 9. Okay, it should be greater than 9. Given that black die result in a 5. It's given. Like condition probabilities come because all one thing is given. Black die result in a 5. Okay. Now how we will find out the first? Like this is a sample space. Okay. That B is denoting black, R is denoting red. So we just made that. That is 36. Obviously, I just told you two dice, 2 times. Like it have 2 colors, and they rolled once. So 60 power 2 because of 2 colors. Okay. So 36. Now we need to find out sum greater than 9. Okay. In first part, find the condition probability of obtaining sum greater than 9. So we will find where sum is greater than 9. 6 and 4, 10. That is greater than 9. 6 and 5, 11. That is also greater than 9. 6 and 6, 5 and 5, and 5 and 6. We will not take 5 and 5 comma 4. B5 are 4 because sum need greater than 9. Okay. So this is the E, like 10, 5 and 5, 10, 5 and 6, 11, 10, 11, and 12. So probability is 6 upon 36. Now what is F is saying? F is saying black die result in a 5. Black die. It's black and it should have 5. Like this whole line. We need to take whole line. Okay. So in case of F equal to B5 R1 to R6. This is a 6. So 6 upon total is 36. So 1 by 6. Now P intersection F is these two. So P intersection F is 2 by 36, 1 by 18. Why we are finding sample space? Because obviously we need to put something in denominator, that is a total probability. Okay. So we will just put the formula and we will get the answer. Thank you.